Are you a firm administrator who would like the ability to easily update your firm or company information and employee roster in the VSCPA database? Do you frequently register employees for VSCPA events and programs, or renew VSCPA memberships for employees? If so, the improved employee management tool is now available to help you accomplish all of these tasks quickly and easily. Here's how it works. Log in to the VSCPA website and select Menu in the upper left corner. If you are not already a firm administrator in our system, select Become a Firm Admin from the menu on the right. Check the box next to Do you want to become a firm administrator of the firm? And select Send Request. It may take up to 5 business days for your request to be processed. If you are already a firm administrator in our system, select Manage My Firm from the menu. The Employee Management tool will be displayed. Scroll down to see the options. Select Register Employees for CPE to register one or multiple people in your firm for in-person or online events. The CPE catalog will be displayed. Search for the event by typing the title or course number into the search field. Use the filters if you are unsure of the event title or course number and want to search for an event by date, field of study, location, format, or other. Once you find the event, select Register Now under the event description. On the event page, choose Select Employees. A menu will pop up with a list of all firm employees from the main and branch offices. Select the checkbox next to the name of the individuals you would like to register for the event. Then choose Register Employees. The event registration will be added to your cart. If you would like to register employees for another event within the same transaction, return to the CPE catalog by selecting the VSCPA logo at the top of the screen, and then Register for CPE Now. The EMT also enables you to update your current roster and employee information, find or add new employees, access employee CPE history and upcoming CPE, pay employee membership dues, or submit VSCPA membership applications for non-members currently associated with your firm. Select the Actions drop-down menu and select Manage Employees, Pay Dues to access these features. Your employee roster is separated into those who are VSCPA members, those who need to renew, and those who are non-members. Select each category to expand and manage employees. Select the Actions button for each employee for which you would like to view or update information or remove from the firm or company. If the individual is not a VSCPA member, you will also see an option to join. Choose this option to fill out a membership application. To renew VSCPA memberships for your employees, select Pay Dues. You will see a list of employees with dues balances. Click the check boxes next to the employees whose memberships you would like to renew. Adjust the PAC and Educational Foundation contributions as desired, and then select Pay Dues. The total will be added to your cart, and you can check out once all transactions are completed. To update your employee roster, under the Find Add Employees section, search for an employee's name, email address, or certification number to see if they are already in our system. If they are, select the checkbox next to their name and click Add Selected to your firm or company. You will be prompted to confirm this addition to the roster by clicking Add Employee. If the employee is not already in our system, select Create New Employee. Fill in the required information and click Save. When you have finished adding CPE registrations and membership payments, select the cart to view the orders and the total amount due. Select Checkout to enter your payment information and complete the transaction.